Hey everyone, welcome back. We're at the warehouse and boom, 4 cases. I have no idea what code they are because Hot Wheels doesn't seem to put the codes on anymore, but see if we can get them down and have a look. Come on, there's got to be something in there. Alright, there are C and B cases. Hopefully a D as well. Let's see what we get. Alright guys, we got 4 C cases. Let's dig into them. We're looking for the Corvette Roadster. Let's go. Open it on film this time. There's one regular. No. Check the bottoms after. Next one. Alright, number 2. Regular. Regular. Check this bottom of this one as well later. Next one. Alright, number 3. And it's a regular. That's the treasure hunt there. Alright, last one. Let's see if we get something. Alright, last one. Let's see. We have one regular. And a regular Skyline as well. Alright, let's check the bottoms for the Skyline Super. Alright, bottom of number 1. There's a Skyline there. And there's a regular. Don't see any other candidates. Okay, let's flip these 3 over. Alright guys, bottom of 2, 3, and 4. It's a regular Skyline. And yep, that's all. Number 3. A regular Skyline. Oh, they're on Shiro, that's cool. Alright, last one. Regular Skyline. Yep, it was a dud batch. Dud batch of cars. Alright. Probably get myself the RX-7 actually while I'm at it. Well, I've had another good look through the dump bin and 2 regular T2s, 2 regular GTR R34s, and what I'm picking up out of this lot. These 2, pretty cool, like the castings. Nothing else special out of these cases. I've already got all the C-case cars. And I'm going to be picking up the Scirocco from this set as well. Thanks again everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.